Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can create Instagram account. So first of all, you need to download the Instagram app either from your Play Store or your App Store. As you can see, I've already downloaded the app. Now once the app is installed, open the app. This page will open up. Once this page opens up, you can create a new Instagram account using your Facebook account as well. That means if you have a Facebook account, you can link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. If you don't want to link your Facebook account to your Instagram account, then tap on the sign up option that's on the bottom of the screen. Today I'll just show you how you can create an Instagram account using your phone number or your email. So tap on this option. Then you have the option to choose your phone number or you have the option to choose your email as well. Now enter your phone number and choose your country code accordingly. Then tap on the next option. Now add your name and tap on the next option. Now create a new password and again tap on the next option. Now it's time to add your birth date as well. Then tap on the next option. Now tap on the sign up option. By tapping sign up, you agree to the terms and conditions of Instagram as well. So you can connect your new Instagram account to your Facebook account as well, or you can completely skip that part. You can also sync your contacts to your Instagram account and find people who are already on Instagram account. You can also sync that, or you can skip that part as well. Then to add a profile picture to your Instagram account, tap on the add a photo option. Choose from library. Then tap on the next option. Now you can follow people on Instagram. Tap on the next option. So as you can see, I've just created an Instagram account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.